Both of my grandmothers kept lovely homes. My mom, same. Are they fancy, extravagant places? No. I grew up on a farm in a nice home. You know what I mean? I always had a warm, nice home to live in. But I think it's just the home that they created. And also they were very tidy women, very
with very tidy women too.
Very clean and tidy women. That was their thing. That is their thing. Learning from them. I mean, emulating what they created for me.
Teach it, or did you just were you just an observer and kind of, do you know what I mean? Did they teach you how to do that?
Or taught when, I mean, I had chores in the house.
My mother was very strict about our cleaning. We didn't have to clean our bedrooms. My bedroom was notoriously dirty, just awful. Like milk curdled on the windowsill, messy. It's just a mess. But our communal spaces had to be very clean. And we had to clean every Saturday. And she had us like wash and wall. My mom was like serious. She was like, you are cleaning this house.
And one grandmother was Southern and she was like that. Like cleaning meant like washing the walls, like moving the furniture.
Remember being on my hands and knees, like baseboard scrubbing like that. Yeah. My mom was like,
like clean.
And she would always complain to us, like, you don't know what, this is nothing.
Right.
And I was like, this is something.
But so then I don't have a cleaning person because I can't find one. Do you know that, do you suffer from that
I just, a little bit? Because I got married. Now I have somebody who comes once a month. It's still kind of sporadic, but it's the first time I've ever had someone help me clean the house because I couldn't, I just was like, I can't. And I'm not. And you say you're going to clean the bathroom and I have to remind you 8,000 times. And I'm not going to do it because this is draining my energy. So now we have somebody who comes. If you enjoyed what you were listening to, please check out my book, What Stays and What Goes. All right. Until next time.